In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Gcredit to Gcash Wallet 2025. Before we begin, a quick heads up so everything goes smoothly. Make sure your Gcash app is updated to the latest version, your internet connection is stable, and your Gcredit is activated with enough available limit. Remember that using Gcredit involves fees and due dates, so review the terms shown in the app to avoid interest or penalties. Start by opening the Gcash app and logging in as you normally would. If you're prompted for biometrics or your MPN, complete those steps. It's also a good idea to check your wallet balance and your Gcredit limit first, so you know exactly what's available. From the home screen, navigate to the Buy Now, Pay Later section. This is where Gcash keeps its credit options. Inside, you'll see your current credit limit, any outstanding balance, and when your next bill is due. Take a moment to review those details so you can plan your transaction confidently. When you're ready to proceed, continue to check out and select Gcredit as your payment method. Choosing Gcredit means the purchase will be charged to your credit line instead of deducting from your wallet balance. The app will show you the exact amount, any applicable fees, and the billing date. If anything looks off, adjust the amount before confirming. Confirm the transaction and complete the payment. Double check the total, and make sure you recognize the details on the confirmation screen. Once you approve, the payment will process and should reflect almost instantly, though some transactions can take a few minutes. Keep an eye out for the confirmation message or receipt in your transaction history, which you can revisit later if you need a record. If you're directing the value to a different Gcash wallet, enter the new Gcash number when prompted. Type it carefully and review every digit before you proceed. A simple typo can send funds to the wrong account, and those transfers are often difficult to reverse. If the app shows a name preview linked to the number, confirm it matches the intended wallet. Finish by verifying the changes. You may receive a one-time code via text. Enter it promptly to confirm ownership and finalize the process. After verification, refresh your Gcash app and check the wallet balance and transaction history. If you don't see the update immediately, give it a moment and check again. That's it. You've used Gcredit through the Buy Now, Pay Later flow, completed checkout with Gcredit, and verified the details to ensure the right Gcash wallet is credited. Don't forget to pay your Gcredit bill on or before the due date to avoid interest.